Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Cash App to Trust Wallet. First thing I want you to do is launch up Trust Wallet, come here, tap on receive, and then just go ahead and choose your crypto you want to receive, in this case the Bitcoin, and this is your wallet address, so copy your wallet address, and then I want you to launch up Cash App, go to the Bitcoin section. Once you are here, tap on this icon for transfer, and to send Bitcoin, you just enter the amount you want to send. You'll see how much you have available. Enter that right there. Tap on send. And then I want you to paste in your Bitcoin address here. So paste it in. Go ahead and confirm that. And then click here on next. And then you'll be able to confirm and send it. Now, I don't have sufficient balance for that. But if you did, the transaction would go through. So it's really that easy. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.